Is NetherexPro the next big thing in online trading, or just another platform that looks good on the surface but leaves you with more questions than answers? It promises a lot: automated and manual trading options across cryptocurrencies, forex, stocks, and other assets, all in one sleek-looking platform. Sounds like a dream setup for any investor or trader, right? But as we dig deeper, the picture gets more complicated. One of the first things that stands out is the number of user concerns floating around online. People have raised red flags about account issues, delayed withdrawals, and inconsistent performance, which immediately makes you wonder how reliable this platform really is. Another key point: NetherexPro is a relatively new website, which means there's limited historical data or user reviews to help verify its long-term legitimacy or performance. Combine that with a high minimum deposit requirement, which isn't ideal for cautious traders or beginners, and you start to question whether this is a well-thought-out platform or just a quick cash grab. What's even more concerning is the total lack of ownership transparency. There's no clear information on who runs the platform, where it's based, or what regulatory bodies, if any, oversee its operations. For a platform handling people's money, that's a major red flag. Some users have shared positive outcomes, but just as many have warned about potential risks, making it difficult to confidently call this a safe or reliable option. So while NetherexPro might have an attractive front and offer features that sound impressive, it's important to be cautious. Not everything that glitters is gold, and when it comes to your money, doing your own due diligence is more important than ever.